All right, we are live now. Okay, welcome to the first live stream of this channel. As from now on, we'll be having series of live streams. Okay, but to start with, we'll be starting with a very short video. Okay, and in this video, I'll be showing you how you can stop the React snippet extension from importing React at the top of your file. You know, I know a lot of React developers, they use the React snippet VS Code extension. And just in case you don't know the React snippet VS Code extension, it is an extension that you can use to quickly write out some code snippets that has to do with React, Redux, React Native, and all. Okay, so there are a series of commands or shortcuts that you can quickly use to write out some code snippet. For example, if you want to see all the snippets, you can just go to your extension pane in VS Code, look for ES7 plus React snippet extension. Okay, and then you click on snippet. So if you click on this, it's going to lead you to this. Let me click on this now. I should have it open there. Okay, so if you click on that link, it's going to open this page for you. Okay, so on this page you have access to all the commands that you can use to write out some code snippets. Okay, if you want to create components, React component, possibly class components, functional components, you can use any of these commands. For example, if I want to create a functional component, all I have to do is to type RFC. Let me show you that quickly. If I come in now, if I get rid of all of this, okay, so if I press RFC, it's going to create a functional component for me. Okay, and you can see now by default, the extension is going to import React for you by default. This is because in the early days of React, you need to import React like this whenever you want to work with React. But in the later versions of React, you don't need to import React like this for you to use React. So now I'm going to be showing you how to stop the extension from importing React. Okay, so to stop it now, I'm going to go to settings. All right, so you go to settings. Okay, I'm going to open my settings, then you go to your JSON file, open settings.json. So if I click on that, it's going to open my settings.json for me. Okay, so all I need to do is to just add a simple setting there. So I'm going to have React snippets. I have React snippets. As you can see now, I already have the suggestion for me. So I have React snippets.settings.import React on top. The default value is true. Okay, so I'm going to set that to 4 so that the extension is not going to be importing React for me. So as soon as I save this now, VS Code is going to prompt me to restart VS Code. Okay, so after restart, you can now go ahead and use your extension. So as from now on, it is not going to be importing React for you by default. If I get rid of this now, I can just press my RFC. Okay, let me wait for the suggestion to load. Okay, so if I click on this now, so you can now see now that it is not importing React for me again. Okay, if I want this export statement to be at the base, I can just clear this out. So rather than using RFC, I'm going to use RFCE. That's going to write the export statement at the base. Okay, so that's just the simple thing you have to do to stop the extension from importing React for you. Okay, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, and if you want to be seeing more of videos like this on web development, on coding and programming, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified every time there is a new video. Okay, and just like I said, this is the first live stream we'll be having on this channel. If you have suggestions on how I can improve the videos and the streaming, don't forget to drop that in the comment section. All right, so I'll be seeing you in the next one.